Well, welcome back. We loaded a 9620T John Deere in Minnesota, heading to Alabama, and tried to beat this snowstorm that was coming through here and did not win. I don't know how much the camera will actually show. What up? But there's a trailer back there somewhere. It's been sitting here for a little over a day, and I think we should be good here as soon as curfew lifts in St. Louis. So we are going to fire this thing up and see if we can't pull her out of the snowdrift. I'm not sure what they got for snow here, just because it's been blowing so much, but we're gonna see if we can't get her out.
Hey, let's fill her up and get on the road right here. Down, get it in, bit it in, mile on a minute, and take it a bit, take it a bit 25. Hey, everybody get take it a bit 25. Everybody get 30 mile on a minute, and 35 here. Down, get it in, bit it in 50. Down, get it in, bit it in 60 to 75. Hit 75, 75, 85, 100 out of it. Now, bit it take it a bit 25, 125 out of it 35, 130 pound out of it. Now, bit it in 50 down, get it a bit in 50 down, 60 to 75.
Okay, let's see if we can pull this out. You can kind of see where the trailer is because the snow cracked when I aired up. I'm guessing they got probably 6 inches here. Don't know. We're gonna see if we can pull it out and then check everything out. We'll be back. All right. On your mark, get ready, set. Let's see if we can pull this out. We may have issues here. We'll see. We'll let that guy get out. He's trying to break shit. And then I'm a dumbass and kill it. Oh, good old kitty pillar. Has nothing to do with it. I got a shit ton of weight and good tires. We're out. Let's get on down the road. Unique parking job number 1. One way to park, I guess. Well, we've made it south of St. Louis. A lot less snow. I'm guessing in St. Louis they probably got the 12 inches. I don't know. It was pretty bad. Probably shouldn't have been running, but I've seen quite a few other oversized. They got a lot less snow down here, but that being said, you can see that they've got ice because the roads are still skating, right? But slow and steady wins the race. Slowly but surely, we just pimp on down the road. I mean, it ain't like we're 11, what the hell are we? 11 foot 10 wide. But we are 90,000 pounds, so that helps hold us down. So, yeah. Slow and steady. Here we go. what a difference 20 miles makes. Go from a lot of snow to a bunch of ice. And yeah, as you can see, these trees here weren't loving the ice. Roads have gotten a lot better. Trees are looking like shit though. Keep plugging away though. Custom parking. You can see the ditches, some little marks in them. I'm not sure what the hell going on here. The road are slip right now. I'm sure that they were. Well, you know, that guy decided he wanted to try the guardrail out. Good times. And he slid off. Just barely, but he slid off. On the side, it's tough happening down here, but you see the trees are literally bent over. They got a bunch of ice down there. So, yeah. Gotta love it, yes. Like I said, roads aren't that bad. I am gaining quite a bit of weight. I've gained eventually 4,000 pounds since I took off this morning. So, really hoping that we get all this shit so I can stop and knock some of the snow off. Just let a car in the ditch. So, yeah, hopefully, we'll get out of this. Something I can see. Once I get down to 155 and I can kind of see it, then like they got something different. We'll see. We're 10 miles away. That's what we know. Buckle on. Okay, somebody just hollered at us on the radio that we're dragging our oversized sign, and be damned if they ain't right. I don't know where the 4,000 pounds is coming from. Weird. Alright, let's see if we can't put the sign back on. Oklahoma is just like I have no clue. Well, good morning from, I'm just north of Tupelo, Mississippi. All right, we made it. New Bern, Alabama. Let's see if we can get this off. Okay. They came out to help, so it went off in a couple minutes. So we are empty in New Bern, Alabama. So until the next one, peace out.